Meaning of dowse.
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 Dowse. Dowse is a verb that means to search for water or minerals underground using a rod or stick held by a person who walks over the area where the resources are believed to be located. The dowser holds the rod loosely and walks slowly with their mind focused on locating the target. When the rod suddenly dips or moves, indicating a successful find, the dowser marks the spot. Despite numerous studies, there is no scientific evidence to support the efficacy of dowsing, and it is generally considered a pseudoscience.